like to welcome each one of
Ka
you.
Sorkar jylla ha ka live huai trik risaw kala menjur ya ka revised uniform guidelines na ka benta ka jing penrungkam sya ka tnat Pulit ka jylla.
31st
Habakren Syakilat puthai kubor hadin ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri na kaliang menteri Sorkar Markus en Marak Ulaong ngila menjur ya ka revised uniform guidelines na ka benta ka jing penrungkam hapo ka tnat Meghalaya Police. Kumju Principal Secretary katanat Personal ubat CVD ding do ulaong ba kani kade ka jingthung kam habaro ki kerdan jong ki Pulit nadu ki Sub Inspector Armed Branch Constable but unarmed Branch Constable kunthup ki Fireman but MPRO Operator na kaliang ka Central Recruitment Board CRB kala penyat ya ka examen thungkam ki Pulit kat kum ki kendon.
Revised uniform guidelines for recruitment of police personnel in Meghalaya Police. This is file number HPL.231/2023. So in this regard, there are certain recruitment rules which have been amended. I think Cyril is a Commissioner Secretary for GAP and personnel. He will give you little detail about that.
This is the recruitment for all ranks of police, including sub-inspectors, armed branch constables and unarmed branch constables, including firemen and MPRO operators. These are the rules which relate to the Central Recruitment Board, which conducts the recruitment for the police force. We had seen in the past that these recruitment would take quite a long time because of the various rules. So we have tried to streamline the rules so that we can ensure that the recruitment process is completed efficiently, transparently in the fastest possible time. So these rules are quite a few, but just to summarize, these rules are to ensure that the recruitment process for sub-inspectors, for constables, both AB and UB, will be conducted efficiently and taking the least possible time. About 2,500 vacancies. 2,500 vacancies in the police.
Applicants are
And any time frame being set to fill up all these vacancies?
So basically, after these rules are now amended, it will be notified, and then once it's notified, the advertisement will be called for these vacancies, approximately 2,500. Actual numbers will be dependent on the advertisement, and then the CRB will try and ensure that the recruitment is conducted and completed at the earliest possible time.